Imagine a fighter aircraft flying in a hostile airspace, and there is a pilot in the cockpit operating the aircraft, and just a few kilometers away, there is a drone flying, and the pilot is controlling that drone to execute an attack on an aerial threat. Well, this is called a loyal wingman system, where an aircraft with a human in it operates an unmanned aerial vehicle flying somewhere else using artificial intelligence. Well, this is the advanced technology India's aerospace major, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, HAL, along with its Bangalore-based new space startup, is developing as a part of indigenous program. Meet the CAT drones, where CAT stands for Combat Air Taming System. It is an Indian combat drone which has a deep penetration aerial attack system that enables a fighter pilot remain safely in a country's border while being able to deploy missiles or swarms of drones deep into the enemy's territory to destroy the targets. The stealth drones can carry up to 4 mutations, including cruise missiles, runaway destroying bombs, and other payloads as well. The aerial vehicle has a capacity of flying at a speed of 350 kilometers, guided by the mothership, which is a light combat aircraft, which can enter the adversary's region, drop its missile, and come to the base. The project has been exclusively earmarked by HAL for all 3 defense arms of the nation: the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. With an initial investment of 400 crore, work has been started on 3 separate components that comprise the CAT system: CATS Warrior, CATS Hunter, and the Alpha S, all of which are unmanned systems but can be controlled from pilot from a mothership. Conceived as an air-launched cruise missile, CATS Hunter has a capacity of deep penetration strikes, which can put as a payload on various Indian aircrafts like Sukhoi 30, LAC Tejas, and Jaguar jets. Capable of taking off on its own from the ground, CATS Warrior can strike enemy's region carrying up to 250 kg of heavy explosives like smart anti-airfield weapon and next advanced generation missiles. The Alpha S can directly release from the mothership using a glider that can carry the drone swarms deep into the enemy's territory, controlled by the pilot, networked via electronic data links, and equipped with electro-opticals and infrared sensors. Apart from developing the state-of-the-art technology of CATS drone, HAL is also making and developing an unmanned aerial system that can fly at about 70,000 feet continuously to 2 to 3 months to maintain surveillance on the ground below. The futuristic concept has been described as the world first by HAL, and which has no other country has developed yet. The solar-powered energized system will also be developed jointly with a startup to bolster the Indian space power. With the CATS Warriors, India joins a small group of nations testing these advanced unmanned drones like Boeing ATS, which was recently tested in Australia, and USA's Kratos Valkyrie. The futuristic concept is still at a design stage, but is tipped to be as game changer for future welfare for India. So this is it in today's section. Thanks for watching.